Hey there, car enthusiasts. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line car diagnostic tool, then look no further than the launch OBD2 scanner CRP123i Elite Code Reader. This newly released Elite version has been optimized based on previous customer feedback, making it a must-have for any serious car owner. With 3 new reset functions: oil reset, SAS reset, and throttle adaptation, this scanner can save you at least $2,000 per year in maintenance costs. It's a game changer, but that's not all. With one-click lifetime updates by Wi-Fi, 4 system diagnostics, full OBD functions, FCA auto auth, and a 5-year backup, this tool has everything you need to keep your car in top shape. The 2024 version also boasts a 5-inch Touch HD screen, one-click Wi-Fi update online, and 232GB memory, making the CRP123i diagnostic more efficient and quick. Additionally, it features a 4-in-1 data stream, battery test, data record playback, and the ability to share and print vehicle reports. Plus, it supports 11 languages, so you can use it no matter where you are. With all these amazing features and a 5-year warranty, the launch OBD2 scanner CRP123i Elite Code Reader is a must-have for any car owner. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to get yours today.